How to change your character in Ready or Not. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be explaining you how to do so let's just get started. First of all, you may head over to Ready or Not game on your PC. And the thing is, you cannot do it on single player. You need to head over to multiplayer once you are on the game. Head over to multiplayer, and then once you are there, you will need to head over to the headquarters, and from there go to the briefing room and go to SWAT unit and go to the right, and there you will be finding a locker and you need to press F and the customization screen appears on your screen like this. Now what you may do is from here you can directly find an option called character there in your left hand side. With your clothing and everything, you can easily find it here. So you may look out for character and drop it down, and when you do, you will be finding different characters available here. You may need to unlock some of them, but you can find a character in this section. Now, from the characters given, you can just head over and look out for the character that you would like to change it into in Ready or Not. For example, the Spencer. So you can select Spencer, and once you do, you can find the changes right here. The face has been changed, which means the character has been changed as well. You may follow up the same process if you would like to change the character. Right below it, we have the voice option. Also, you can follow up the same option for voice. Drop down the option and you'll be finding different voices available. You can select the voice that you prefer, and that way you can change a character in Ready or Not. And that's it. So you may also follow the same process if you would like to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.